Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Jamaica's 4x400 Olympian Junelle Bromfield has announced she has been engaged with Noah Lyles. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari, so here for People's TV. If you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Give me a follow on the TikTok. Imagine, boops, upside down hell, as the Jamaican Olympian sprinter Junelle Bromfield has announced their engagement and will love you forever. The sprinter Olympian Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromfield has announced this, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful, beautiful setting, a romantic situation where the sprinter and the 4x400 love story as fast track athletes announced in their engagement on Sunday in October. The couples who had dated nearly 2 years share news of their engagement on social media platform. Their post on both Instagram platforms sharing a video of their engagement, which was filmed in the previous days. The pair were seen enjoying a romantic evening, sharing some of their families and friends. The Olympic men 100 gold medalist from the United States led Jamaican girlfriend, a bronze medalist from Tokyo 2020 Olympic in 2021, to an outdoor area where a small party of friends stood beside a lit up sign that read, "Will you marry me?" The American star then dropped down to one knee as he held out a ring, what was warmly received by Bromfield, who then showed off the engagement ring. The video was captioned, "To my future wife, I will love you forever." The two have known each other since 2017, when the 26-year-old reached out to Lyles, 27, on social media, but it wasn't until 2022 when they reconnected and began dating. You think that this gal is a fool? You think that this gal is a fool? As praise and congratulations came in. Look here, people. This ya gal ya a no fool. From me ear she making statements. Says she afraid to return to Jamaica. Me don't know, says she don't a go yam no Lyles supper. This is an obvious chick. But I and I'm unhappy for Junelle. Because remember, when Junelle did forward upon the scene, everybody did a jeer her because she was a picky head queen. Now, she find a man where she a dream. Me no want uno fi say nothing. I bet. Junelle find a Yankee fi swivel off. Big up yourself, Junelle. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Congratulations. And it's a must. Now alive. Realize that it can't go around the tight grip of this Jamaican chick. So guess what? A snapper the girl have. Leave your comment on this one if I'm lying. From me here, she says she afraid for return. Me don't know, say, Noah Lyles head a turn. Engage. Congratulations, Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromfield. Now engage. She no have to return to yard. You think them gal are fraud? Oh my Lord.